is the BELLEZE 36-inch barn door kit. And let me tell you, this thing was super easy to put together. Like, I love building things, and it was very easy to assemble. This door is very, very sleek and stylish. We wanted a barn-like feel in our farmhouse-inspired master bathroom and bedroom. And we actually use this 36-inch door to kind of go between our bathroom and between our closets. So it functions really well if you need privacy. Obviously we go and put it over to the bathroom, but also we can cover the closet, which it's usually in front of the closet most of the day. But it was very easy to put together. The stain that we used was espresso stain, and like I said, we wanted a dark, rich look like a barn door would be, but overall super easy to put together. Came with very well detailed instructions, and I'm actually thinking about getting another barn door to go between our kitchen and our dining room.